In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in SmartLife account. So first of all, launch open SmartLife application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Now in order to log into your account, tap on this option login that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to log into your account. First of all, make sure to select the reason. Tap on the field of reason. Now you'll be able to see various reasons over here. Simply tap on the country of your choice. Now after you do that, enter your account and password over here. Tap on the field of enter your account. Now what you have to do is simply enter your email address over here. Now also enter the password. Now check on this box that you can see on the screen. You're basically agreeing to the privacy policy user agreement and children's privacy statement. Or you can also log in with the Google if you want. For that, tap on the Google icon that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be able to log in with the Google account. Now tap on this option login that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll easily be logged in to your account. So that is how you log in SmartLife account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.